Walking. Oh, what's this? Hi, my name is Kinito. Oh, hi, Kinito. Who are you? My name is Nirvaxi. I'm the creator. I make Zach D films his joke video. That's cool. Do you like Melon Sandbox? Yes, I do. Hey, give me all your money, or else I'll use force. Oh no, a thief. No, please. Then give me your 1 million play button. No, 1 million subscriber play button. Okay, here you go. Thanks. He's still your 1 million play button, aren't ya? Yeah, he's still my 1 million. 1 million subscriber play button. No, don't worry, Nirvaxi. We'll get it back, okay? But how? Let's take revenge. Okay. Wait, come on. Okay, good. Yeah, pizza. Yeah, pizza. Pizza. Man, he really speaks pizza language, right, Kinito? Yeah, right. But you can call me Kinito Pet if you wanna. Okay, I'll call you. I'll call you Kinito then. Okay. Hey! I found a guy. Really? Where is it? Yeah. Now it's my seat. Pizza. No, not pizza. Pizza. Oh yeah, pizza. Okay. Pizza. Yeah, pizza. Yeah. Oh, pizza. Hey, pizza. Pizza. Let's take revenge. But hell, you stay here, Kinito. Ah, pizza! Ow, your pizza! Pizza! Ow! I'm okay. Oh, I found a gun. Steady. No, here is the 1 million subscriber play button. I got it! Yay! Kinito, you can jump. Okay. My head. Thanks. Yeah, you're welcome. Yay! I got the 1 million subscriber play button. Don't forget to subscribe. And also, don't forget to subscribe to me. Happy Nirvaxi Day! No, wait. It's not in the month. So, bye.